Hi guys, Julius Fortuna. I'm here at Glossit trying to bring my Challenger in to get my 71 Challenger original. Trying to get some great paint coverage and three-step process coming up. Pretty excited about it right now and looking forward to a great product after a couple days.
Challenger. This is paint correction. Look how dirty the paint is from the left and then after being corrected to the right. I mean, a huge difference.
Hey guys, another edition of the Weekly Buff. This week is a different video that we created because we wanted something different for our audience. They've been asking us for something classic. We have the Carmen Ghia. Now we've got a beautiful, stunning 71 Dodge Challenger RT, all numbers matching. We've got the owner next to me and we're gonna talk to the owner about his experience. He dropped off the car. He will talk about how he found the car. And this car needed a little bit of TLC. It was a really nice restoration, but it had some residual imperfections in the paint, which you'll see in the video. Guys, this is a great addition. Tell the audience about why you love this car and talk about what the car looked like before versus when you brought it to us, when we evaluated it, to actually the steps it took to get it to this level.
Yeah. Well, Julius Fortuna, and I am really excited to introduce Raquel now that she's all set and perfect. I've always dreamed about having a 71. I literally hand waxed and washed a neighbor's 71 Challenger just like this one, and I literally, it's a 45-year dream for me to come true, and finally found my car and got it out here. And one of the first things the owner said of American Dream Machine was get a good ceramic coating on it, protect the paint, and I looked around, did my homework, and I found, you know, the Weekly Buff, and I saw a bunch of folks spending $450,000 on vehicles coming here getting done, and I said, well, let me take a look here. Did my homework. This is where I ended up, and I couldn't be happier with the restoration now that it looks complete. The car is absolutely just like it rolled off the showroom, which is always what I wanted. I wanted a car that's looked like it just rolled off the showroom. Here it is, and not only did I get the restoration, that I had to get the paint correction, but I got the ceramic coating, and this is something I really wanted to do. This car is going to be with me until I go, and I'll pass it down to my family. And
so it's a legacy.
It's a legacy.
It's a legacy. So part of the process that we disclose is we walk through the process and we work on the customer's vehicles. We also do what's called a paint assessment. We noticed that the car had some, orange peel, dust, fish eyes that needed attention and some sanding, and really good 3 and 4 step cut and polishing to get to that level where that 5% made the car just like stand out, right?
Yeah, no, to me that's the reason why I came here. I mean, it's all about the labor and having your team. This team is the veterans. I mean, you're going to the pros here instead of having somebody down the street do it. So really excited. The work is obvious, and I think it's going to have a lifetime finish.
So he's a lifetime customer, but if you had to tell the people watching this video right now, what's the main reason that you would say they need to come talk to us about protecting their investment, whether it's a car they drive every day or a classic car? What would you tell the people watching this video?
So two things. The experience is what I looked at, number one, and you literally going back to having chemists, build your product in the 90s. I mean, that was important to me to have the experience, because if I have a problem 3 years from now, I want to know the person I come back to is going to be here.
Right.
Half the places that are in there in 1 year, they're gone. So I wanted experience and to be able to trust whoever I was going to work with this. The second thing was they listened. I mean, I literally sat down and they asked me about my car. They asked me about the use of my car. Your team did a great job understanding my needs. Once they understood my needs, I mean, those are the two things. They listened, they applied it. It wasn't an oversell. It was exactly what I needed to have done. And those are the two reasons why I'd come back, and I'm going to recommend more people come back.
So
and we got a classic finally done.
And we finally got a classic on the Weekly Buff. Guys, thank you for joining us, Weekly Buff. Go ahead and enjoy this amazing video inside and out of the 71 RT Dodge Challenger.
Cheers.
This is Rich. Thank you for visiting our YouTube channel, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Now, if you're a professional detailer and you're looking to grow your business, go ahead and click the video here. If you are a weekend warrior and you want to learn some pro detailing tips, go ahead and click here. And if you're looking to get into the detail business or you want to grow your detail business, go ahead and click below.